Hey, have you ever talked to ChatGPT and thought, wait, how does it even work? Or while watching YouTube, you might have seen those magical recommendations that are exactly as per your liking. How is that even possible? Yeah, that's all because of artificial intelligence. So yeah, that's what we are going to learn in this video. So these are all the topics that we will be covering today. First, we are going to just look into the meaning of artificial intelligence, and then we will discuss some of the types. These are also called as levels, by the way. After that, we will look into the working of artificial intelligence, and we will see a few of the real life examples, and then we will discuss the future of artificial intelligence. Alright, so these are all the topics that we will be covering today. Moving on, what is artificial intelligence? So, to understand the meaning of any terminology, we should just look at the words that the term has. So, here the term has two words, artificial and intelligence, right? Artificial means what? Not natural. In other words, you can say anything that is man made, that we made, we humans have made, right? Intelligence means what? Ability to think, understand, and learn. This is actually, intelligence is actually a property that only humans have. I mean, yeah, all the other animals do have intelligence, but not like us, right? They are not so intelligent like humans. So, what we are going to do through artificial intelligence is we are going to make our machines intelligent enough so that they can think, understand, and learn, and accordingly take a decision and do the task. Alright, so yeah, that's what artificial intelligence is. Man made intelligence, basically. I know that's funny. Anyways, so I'm just going to compare here about how humans learn and how artificial intelligence learns so that you can understand the meaning of AI in much simpler way. So when a baby is born, they do not have any intelligence, zero understanding, absolutely no decision making, right? But as they grow up, they learn. They learn from their surrounding and that's how they become intelligent. Same happens with machines. They will learn through the data given to them and that's how they become intelligent. So AI is nothing but a machine which is getting some data and learning through the data and becoming intelligent. That's all what AI is. Okay, so I hope you have understood the meaning of artificial intelligence. Also, here I wanted to discuss a simple differentiation between a normal digital device, a computer, a mobile phone, app, website, software, anything with AI. So, a normal digital device or software or anything has just a simple procedure. It follows any instruction given to it step by step. For example, if you ask your computer to submit a document by clicking on submit button, so that's exactly what it will do. If you click on the submit button, it will just submit the document, nothing else. But that's not how AI works. What AI does is it will analyze the data and it will learn something from that data. After that, it will make its own decision and do the thing accordingly. Alright, so that's a huge difference about normal digital devices and artificial intelligence. Next, types of artificial intelligence. There are three types. These are also called as levels of AI, by the way. So the first one is narrow AI, second is general AI, and third is super AI. Narrow AI is basically a weak AI. Alright, so it's great at doing one task, only one task at a time, nothing much. Okay, for example, ChatGPT. ChatGPT usually used to just chat, right? Nothing much. So that's narrow AI. Now, moving on. General AI. This is also called as Gen AI, by the way, and this is advanced version of narrow AI. Here, a machine can actually do multiple things like humans. Alright? Just like us, just like humans, a machine will be able to do multiple tasks. It will be able to learn multiple tasks and perform that task accordingly. Alright. So, right now, there is no 100% true example of general AI. We are right now approaching, actually, we are right now approaching towards general AI, but we still have to work on it. Okay, so ChatGPT, Gemini, all these chatbots are basically, they are neither narrow AI or not general AI, or you can say they are both. Basically, it's narrow AI approaching general AI. ChatGPT, Gemini, all of these are narrow AI that are approaching general AI. Okay, so yeah, till date we do not have any 100% true general AI. Okay, which is like human. In future, in few days, we will be having certain examples. Hope so. Moving on, Super AI. So this is the most advanced level. This is beyond Gen AI, and this one is smarter than humans, us. Okay, so you can imagine, and obviously we are not there yet, but yeah, that's exactly what the future might hold. All right, moving on. Working, how AI works, or in other words, you can say how AI learns something. So for this, we'll take the example of humans. I told you earlier, right? So yeah, let's understand here how a human learns. Okay, so when a baby is born, what happens? They're getting data. They're getting a lot of data from their friends and family, from surrounding, from TV shows, from the activities that they're doing. For example, there's a hot cup of tea, and the kid or the baby, the toddler is approaching towards the cup. Okay, they'll touch it. Okay, and they'll get hurt. Their brain will process that data. They might do it again, twice, thrice, but after the third time, maybe they will analyze a pattern after processing this data. That yeah, this is danger. We will get hurt, so we should not touch it. So lesson learned. Okay, so that's how it works. Same happens with AI. Okay, it is just that the sources are different of the data. So here the machine will get data through websites, through user data, maybe some shows, magazines, some other any source it could be. There are so many sources through which AI can get data. It will do the same thing. It will process that data which is given to it, and after processing, it will get some patterns. It will analyze all those patterns, and accordingly, it will learn a lesson. Then it will behave accordingly, make a decision, and will do something. So that's exactly how AI learns. Just like us, just like humans, it will learn anything. And in future, it will be smarter than us. Real life examples. So let's look at a few of the real life examples quickly. Okay. So the first one is YouTube or Netflix recommendation as per your liking. This is something that we do on a daily basis, right? We are scrolling YouTube and we see YouTube is recommending you the same videos that you like. It's exactly recommending you what you like. How? Through AI. Okay. Now, phone locking with your face. That's also AI, facial recognition basically. Autonomous cars. Cars are driving themselves. No driver needed. Right? That's AI. Bots taking care of all your calls and meetings in your apps. Yeah, it's possible. You can create AI agents or bots, and they will attend all your calls and meetings in your absence if you're busy somewhere. Okay, it's possible. AI is also assisting doctors in healthcare, because if AI, doctors can actually treat and diagnose diseases much faster. AI voice cloning. AI can make a copy of your voice. Yeah, it's possible through a tool called 11 Lab. AI powered supermarkets. It's completely AI powered. Example, Amazon Go. AI stock market predictors. Earlier, it used to be so difficult to predict the stock markets, right? But now, yeah, AI has simplified that also. AI generated movies. We all are aware we can make movies, videos through AI. Example of certain tools, Sora, Runway. These are the tools that you can use to create AI generated movies or videos. Okay, let's see what the future of AI is. So, I guess this is the most exciting, curious, but at the same time, most daunting part, most worrisome part of AI. Right? See, we all know that AI is helping us in numerous ways. It's helping doctors to diagnose and treat diseases much faster. It's helping artists to become more creative. It's helping scientists to do things, do all the stuff much faster. Basically, it's helping every one of us in some way, right? But as AI gets smarter, we really need to grow 10x more smarter than that. It's the much needed thingy. Okay. Why? Obviously, because you are seeing right now what's happening in the world, right? AI is taking our job. That's true. There are so many layoffs in so many companies, right? Every day, and people are trying to get job, but that's just too difficult. But that's not the end, right? What all we have to do is we just have to shift our mindset completely. We have to change ourselves. We have to adapt to the changing world of AI. Once we tell ourselves that yeah, this there is a big change, so we will evolve accordingly. Just tell that to yourself, and you can do it. Okay, you just what you have to do is incorporate this AI thingy in your day-to-day life, in your domain, in whatever task, small task, or maybe some huge task, whatever you're doing. Include AI in that. There's an AI for everything. Okay, so yeah, that's all what we have to do to evolve ourselves with AI. That's the reason, yeah, why I created this channel, because I really feel before it's too late, we really need to get aware about AI. Alright, so yeah, no worries. This channel is always at your service to adapt to the changing world of AI. Let's get ready, folks. Let's learn AI together. Let's learn AI with Re signing off. Take care.